So I want to get your reaction to the quarter, and also you have a price target of 237 for the stock. Your peers, the consensus is about 216. Are you still more bullish than the rest of the street? Any sense of a change in how you view this company?
For sure. So we are more optimistic or more bullish about Alphabet's outlook when it comes to actually monetizing search. We continue to think that Alphabet's full stack approach. So you have the infrastructure, you have the applications, you have advertising, you have software. All of them being enhanced by AI is going to be a big opportunity unlock for Alphabet.
All right, so I want to get your take on the CapEx spending, $75 billion. It was considerably higher than the street was looking for, more than 30% higher. Is this a situation that we're seeing? We saw this in Meta a few quarters back. Are investors dinging this stock because of this CapEx spending? Have investors finally said enough is enough? And do you think DeepSeek is playing a part in that?
So I'll just say that two things work together. So let's say if Alphabet's report had come out and Google Cloud had continued to accelerate, and then the CapEx bill was the same as what we saw, or the expected bill rather. I don't think investors would have sold the stock off. I think the worry is that you're increasing CapEx while Google Cloud decelerated, so that creates for an uncomfortable situation for investors to be in. But again, as I said, I mean, AI monetization is not going to come only through Google Cloud. I mean, Google Cloud, one thing I would say is that the decel in Google Cloud itself has GCP, which is the actual cloud infrastructure business, and then Workspace. And you can imagine Workspace to the productivity suite that Alphabet has would be growing at a much lower growth rate than the actual cloud infrastructure business. So we think there's more than meets the eye.
All right, so more than meets the eye. One other area that a lot of people are looking at when it comes to Gemini and also Alphabet's Vertex AI, it's their developer platform. What kind of adoption are you seeing there? There was some sense that Alphabet was a bit behind when it came to the AI race. What's your take now after this quarter?
So first of all, from the onset, we had the position that we did not view Alphabet as an AI laggard. So a few things that I'll say on that is, like, I mean, if you look at Google search, it was not the first search engine. YouTube was the first digital video platform. Chrome was not the first browser. So the fact that Google or Alphabet did not have like a ChatGPT equivalent in November 2022 did not sort of like demerit the entire sort of AI approach the company has built up from our perspective. In terms of the actual traction or adoption with users, I think the developers building on Google's AI platform more than doubled over the last 6 months. If you look at various third-party leaderboards for large language models, Alphabet has 3 out of the top 5 LLMs on the market right now. So all of these things clearly show that Alphabet has the AI chop